If Photopea is showing a file error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. Whether your file is damaged, unsupported, blocked by browser settings, or needs to be converted first, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot it so you can get back to editing fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the simplest check first: file integrity and format support. Before trying anything complicated, open a basic JPG or PNG in Photopea. If a normal image opens without any issues, that usually tells you the problem is with the specific file you were trying to use. In many cases, the file may be corrupted, incomplete, or saved in a format that Photopea can't fully read. This happens a lot with large design files or files that were exported incorrectly. Now, if you're trying to open a vector file like an EPS or AI file and Photopea gives you a file format error, the issue may be with proprietary data inside the file. Some EPS and AI files contain embedded streams or special data that aren't supported natively. In that case, the easiest fix is to convert the file first. Use a free online converter to turn the EPS or AI file into a standard PDF. Once that's done, open the converted PDF in Photopea. Photopea usually handles standard PDF vector paths and layers much more smoothly, so this step can solve a lot of import problems right away. If you're still seeing an error, the next thing to try is opening Photopea in an Incognito window. Extensions for security, privacy, ad blocking, or cloud tools can sometimes interfere with file uploads and downloads. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. Then open Photopea in that private window and try uploading the file again. This is a great way to test whether your browser extensions are causing the problem. If your error happens while using Google Drive or Dropbox, the issue may not be the file itself. It could be a permissions problem in the browser. Click the padlock icon or the site controls next to Photopea in your address bar, then check the pop-up and redirect settings. Make sure they're set to allow. Photopea needs those permissions to complete secure sign-in and cloud file access properly. If pop-ups are blocked, the app may not be able to create the token it needs to read or write your file. Another useful fix is to re-export or rasterize the file from the original program. If a PSD, TIFF, or layered design file won't open properly, go back to the app where it was created if you can. If you have access to Photoshop or Illustrator, open the file there and simplify it. Rasterize complex adjustment layers, smart filters, or third-party plugin content if needed. Then save a clean version with standardized settings, such as a PSD saved with maximum compatibility. After that, try loading the new file into Photopea again. The main idea here is to isolate the cause. Start with a simple image, test your browser, check cloud permissions, and then convert or re-export the file if needed. Most Photopea file errors come down to one of those issues, and once you find the right one, the fix is usually pretty quick. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop a comment if you want help with a specific Photopea error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.